Hey there and welcome to Matt's Garage. Well, I'm in the middle of an oil change here and this oil cap just broke. The ratcheting mechanism in it broke, so it has nothing. You can see the lower half of it, it's just freewheeling. So I'm going to show you really quick how to get this off if this happens to you, and you'll be able to use the same technique on locking fuel caps that you've lost the key to and different things like that. So just stay tuned here. I'm going to go grab some tools and be right back. Okay, so what you're going to need is a tiny little drill bit, of course a drill, and then you're going to need some masking tape. So what we're going to do is measure how long we want the drill bit to go down. We don't want to drill into the engine or whatever. So right there, and we're just going to mark that with a piece of tape. Okay, so I got the drill bit in the drill now, and I'm just going to drill down till it reaches the tape. Right there. And then I'm going to get the drill bit out of the drill, so don't over tighten it in there. There we go. Now the drill bit should be through both layers and it should be locking them together. And there we go. As simple as that. We removed the cap with zero damage. Now if you were to pry the cap off or something, maybe it might break into pieces and you know, shatter into the engine or something. So don't do that. This is the safe way to do it. And heck, I could put a little pin in there now and just lock it together and keep using the cap, and I think that's exactly what I'm going to do. So there you see I was able to just break the end off the drill bit actually and shove it in there to act as a little pin to lock the two halves of the cap together. So it doesn't have a ratcheting mechanism in it now, but the cap works. So thanks a lot for watching Matt's Garage. I do hope you found this little repair tip helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day.